Today we will discuss some IUPAC names as well as their common names of some alkyne compounds. In our previous video we have discussed how to find out the IUPAC names of alkyne compounds. So today we will see some more examples with their common names. Okay, let's start. Alkyne compounds. So the first is the example we have seen, that one is C2H2, right? So the first common example was C2H2 acetylene group. The structure was CH triple bond CH. The IUPAC name of this compound is 2 carbon atoms, so root name eth. Alkyne compounds, so suffix "-ine" will add with the root name, so the IUPAC name is ethyne. Okay, so the IUPAC name is ethyne. Now the common name. The common name of ethyne is acetylene. The common name of ethyne is acetylene. Okay, now come to the next example. CH3 C triple bond CH. Here total number of carbon atoms 3 in the main chain. So the root name is prop. Alkyne compound, so suffix "-ine", right? So the triple bond starts from carbon 1, so we can write 1 propyne or prop 1 ine. So in case of propyne, the common name is, always remember, the common name is allyne. In case of ethyne, the common name is acetylene. In case of propyne, the common name is allyne. Okay, now come third example. We are just increasing the number of carbon atoms on the main chain, right? So here the total number of carbon atoms are 4. So for 4, root name is but. Triple bond starts from carbon 1, so 1 alkyne compound, so suffix "-ine". So the name is but 1-ine, or we can also write 1-butane. Now what is the common name of this compound? Now see this portion, this is acetylene portion. Okay, so except this acetylene part, that in the rest of the part, how many carbon atoms are there? 2 carbon atoms. That means this one is ethyl group. Okay, now this is a normal chain. Okay, this is a normal simple chain. So we, in the common name we will write N. N means normal. Ethyl. And this is the acetylene part. So N-ethyl acetylene. Now come next example. Okay, so in this compound, total number of carbon atoms are 5, and the triple bond starts from 1 carbon atom, so we can write pent 1-ine, or also we can write pentyne, 1-pentyne. Okay, so now what is the common name? So here this is again acetylene part, and except this acetylene part, in the rest of the part, how many carbon atoms are present? 1 2 3 carbon atoms. 3 carbon atoms means propyl group. This is a normal chain, so we can write N propyl acetylene. Okay, now come next example. Okay, so here you can see total number of carbon atoms in the main chain 4, and this part is branch. Okay, so in case of IUPAC naming, first we will write the branch portion, that is this methyl group is attached with the third carbon of the main chain, so write 3 methyl, 4 carbon atoms on the main chain, so root name but. Triple bond starts from 1, so but 1-ine. Now we will find out the common name. Now see, this portion is again acetylene part. So in the rest of the part, total 3 carbon atoms are there. 1, 2, 3, right? And among these 3 carbon atoms, 2 are directly attached with 1 carbon atom, right? So this structure we call isostructure. Okay, so in this isostructure, total 3 carbon atoms are present. So we can write iso. For 3, it is propyl group. So isopropyl, then acetylene. Isopropyl acetylene. Now come to the next example. Okay, CH3, CH2, 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 C triple bond, CH. Right? So now we will find out what is the IUPAC name. Simple. First, give number on the carbon atoms. Total number of carbon atoms 6 on the main chain. So root name hex. Compound alkyne. So add the suffix "-ine", 1 hexyne, or we can also say hex 1-ine. Okay. So in case of common name, how to do? Again, this part is acetylene. So in the rest of the parts, how many carbon atoms? 4. So 4 means butyl. Normal chain. So N-butyl acetylene. N-butyl acetylene. In the next carbon, hydrocarbon compound, we can write, suppose, CH3C, CH3. Okay. Now find out the IUPAC name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First is the numbering. So in the main chain, 5 carbon atoms, and here one branch carbon, that is methyl group, is present. One methyl group as a branch, which is attached with the fourth carbon atom of the main chain. So first write down the IUPAC name. First write the branch portion, that is 4 methyl. Total number of carbons 5 in the main chain. So root name pent 1-ine. Okay. Now how to find out the common name? Again, see, this portion is acetylene part. So except this, rest of the part, you just see how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms, right? And this is the isostructure, right? So we can write iso group, iso. Then total 4 carbon atoms are present. So isobutyl. Then here it is acetylene part. So write acetylene. Okay, isobutyl acetylene. Now come to the next example. Okay, so here you can see total number of carbon atoms 7. So starts from 1 triple bond. So 7 carbon atom, root name heft, then 1, then ine. Okay, now common name. Again, this is acetylene portion. Except this acetylene portion, left carbon atoms 5. So this is pentyl group. So N pentyl. This is acetylene. So acetylene. Okay. Now is next example. Okay, now what is the name of this compound? Right, 1 2 3 4 5. On the main chain 5 carbon atoms present, so 5 carbon atoms pent. Now two branches are present here, and both the branches are attached with fourth carbon atom of the main chain, so we can write 4 4 2 methyl groups, so dimethyl. On the main chain 5 carbon atoms, so pent 1 ine. Okay, now what is the common name? Now say, except this acetylene part, rest of the part, number of carbon atoms 1 2 3 4 5, so total 5 carbon atoms are present. And one more thing is that 3 methyl groups are attached with the single carbon atom, right? All the 3 carbon atoms, all the 3 methyl groups are attached with single carbon atom, that is, this is the center carbon atom. So this structure we call neo structure. So neo, in the neo structure, how many methyl groups are present? Sorry, how many carbon atoms are present? 1 2 3 4 5, 5. So neo pentyl, neo pentyl. And this is the acetylene part, so neopentyl acetylene. Okay, so this is the way to find out the IUPAC name as well as the common name of alkyne compounds. Thank you.